What's good, family? Welcome back to the channel. I'm gonna keep it simple this week. We're making a 70s style jacket, and I really enjoyed doing this. So if you like this video, hit that thumbs up, and if you love it, go ahead and tap that subscribe. So as you see, I went online and found an image that fit that 70s style that was requested, and I matched up the paint to try to figure out make the skin tone as close as possible. Now, when you're doing a large photo, it's easier to get more details, so we gotta make sure her chocolate skin is popping, look like it's just glowing in the light. So that's what I tried to depict here. You see, I started with the darks and then added the layers of light on as I went. So the style was so wild and fly back in the 70s, we had to make sure that we added all the accessories that was in the picture. So I took the glasses, I changed the colors to red because I wanted that pop, and I added the tint by painting the face first and painting over the painting with that orange tint. So I love how this came out, and hopefully you do too. So we had to take it to the salon, and we had to make sure her natural beautiful fro was popping. So I added that layer of black and used like a lighter gray to add the details in this thing. So you already know the woman that's on this painting is a foxy woman, so I wrote it out. But if I would have done this all over again, I would have used a Cricut instead and just ironed on the letters because it would have been more crisp, but we live and we learn. So you already know I am feeling this final product. I think the light glistening off it adds to the effect, and hopefully you guys like it as much as I did. If you like this video, hit that thumbs up. If you love this video, go ahead and lightly tap that subscribe button, and as always, hope to see you again soon.